some boy, right? Not knowing that this guy was passing. The chalk whacked him by accident. Now he has a problem. Everybody saw him getting back. Now he can't back down. Teacher. So he dragged the case. This was not Senanayake would have slapped everybody.
So who was the teacher and who threw the chalk? But you're the only one who saw it.
This is Sarananda City.
Because you saw how the hand went like that.
It's like a play trial.
Did he catch a trash me? I didn't hit me.
No, because nobody told him at that time that it was you. Nobody told him.
Yeah. This is
He didn't know who it was.
Sarananda
Nobody
City.
said anything.
So I didn't go to the gallows.
Nobody said anything.
I didn't go to the gallows.
Nobody said anything.
So you saw.
He pulled the case with Saidi.
But
Saidi
you
was a class teacher.
Only in my defense, I'm a left hand, so I didn't throw the cup like this.
So that's not exactly what Lalu said. That's exactly what Lalu said.
This is
But
Nanda
you
City.
said that I saw the hand go like that.
Yeah. So I don't know why you're bringing it up now.
But who is the?
You can bring anything up.
No, in Sri Lanka.
Lalu wants to say is, this is the 50th anniversary of the talk to
Because in Sri Lanka, court cases go forever. Okay, 50 years is nothing.
But the first part. I know, that's what I thought. That's what I did say.
So what's the verdict?
No, the point is this. It was an interval. There was no class going on.
Okay.
The chalk throwing was an accident. It was
By
not.
whom? Who threw it?
According to me, it was him. I raised it right or wrong.
You're the culprit.
But I didn't go to the gallows, thank God.
Never mind, but he saw you.
The chalk was thrown as an accident. It was not deliberate.
It doesn't matter whether it was an accident or not, but it was thrown. The court does not.
The teacher
Look,
could not back down.
look, the court.
Can I claim temporary insanity?
Maybe we need to send you to the gallows now.
Can I claim temporary insanity?
I also can do that. Or permanent. I prefer permanent insanity.
So, final verdict.
There is no verdict.
Final verdict, you saw him pull the chalk.
Point is, final verdict was that teacher was embarrassed.
Okay.
Sardin was embarrassed.
Okay.
Right? Everybody was embarrassed. Nobody benefited.
But you are the witness to him throwing the chalk.
At that time, yes.
So we have a live witness. Mohammed Kader, you are going to the gallows.
After 50 years,
Now,
The RJL jury is here.
now,
The jury. Here's the jury. Anil, we have the jury here. Anil,
Not guilty, not guilty.
not guilty.
No,
Jury, guilty or not guilty?
you can't come to the final verdict because witness insufficient. Witness insufficient. Verdict cannot be given.
But here eyewitness.
Eyewitness, but it is not credible enough to give a judgment.
Why?
It's not credible. He himself is not confident.
You are
He is not
He says
confident.
that you're
the judge is interfering with the jury. The case is a mistrial.
You cannot.
The case is
You're only a lawyer. You're not a judge. You're
Yes, but his witness is not credible enough to give a verdict.
Why is he not credible enough? He's Prasanna.
He's a cocksucker.
He's not a cocksucker, but he is. I don't know if he's a cocksucker.
Okay,
I don't
okay.
spend enough time with him.
His witness, who is there to guarantee that? No one is there. No, only he's talking about for himself. That's all. Only one person.
There's a dispute here.
right.
I cannot understand.
who is the cocksucker here?
He claims that Prasanna is a cocksucker. He's trying to shift the blame.
But Zafar is the original
But the case, today's
Case stands dissolved.
Today's case is not about cocksucking.
But
Today's
the case is dissolved.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
It's about nipping.
Today's case is not about cocksucking. Today's case is about chalk throwing.
Chalk throwing.
Fair enough.
Is it?
Let's put it
But you're the jury.
no, he's a lawyer, no?
You're the jury.
He's
But
a lawyer.
Guilty or not guilty?
I'm not guilty.
No, I don't give a fuck about you. I want to know.
I'm not guilty.
I want to know if Mohammed is guilty or not.
No, he's not guilty.
He said he's not guilty.
Too late.
The jury is against you, Prasanna.
Too late. The case has been declared a mistrial.
So do we send him to the gallows or not?
No,
gallows.
Yes,
You
please.
can't send him to gallows.
After 50
Why?
years, can't.
You can't send him to gallows.
Why?
Because the case is
I
case was,
temporarily
has
insanity.
taken
Much
so
like
long
insanity.
to
Charge of
reopen. A case is only
The second-
valid for
the
5
sec-
years.
This is a case of a cocksucker versus another cocksucker.
Right? The second thing, who's that teacher?
Thunderball.
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 Was a teacher for us. After that, he was a singer.
Thunderball.
He was a call Sadat Nandasiri.
So, shall we say the case is dismissed?
Yeah, case dismissed.
No evidence. No evidence.
No, we don't dismiss it.
But
We
Prasanna-
call it a mistrial.
It's a mistrial.
We can
So,
call it a
Judge
Prasanna,
interfering with the
so
jury.
would you,
I don't want to blackball
do you,
you.
do you agree to withdraw the case?
You got the case. Yeah, no problem.
In class.
Okay.
I'm
So,
not evicted.
We should go to class.
ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Prasanna Ranadura withdraws the case against Mohammed Khan.
I never filed a case.
Withdraw, there should be penetration first. He's talking about physics now. Okay, talking physics now.
That's the physics, you know.
That's cocksucking. That's called cocksucking.
Okay, so we have a big problem.
Yeah, these children have to sleep when let's go, come.
So the case postponed.
Case postponed.
We just next time. Okay.
No, we will bring this up on the board. Right? The guilty person has to be pushed off the board.
You
right?
three,
Capital idea, man.
doctor.
Mohammed Khan wants to claim compensation for pain of mind for the last 50 years.
Yeah.
Paying out,
50
Mohammed,
years, that's a lot.
I want something in compensation.
Okay.
I want
According
you
to
stop this Monson with the cutlery.
okay, gentlemen, the case is adjourned until the next
Until the
cruise.
boat.
The boat. The next.
The court arises.
Until the next problem starts.
Cutlery.
Court agents.
We have a cutlery. Look, my dear lawyer, we have a cutlery case against you. You stand down. Down, boy, down. We have a serious cutlery robbery case against you. So we'll come to you later. So according to you three, this case and according to Prasanna, the case is no, it's not a mistrial, it's adjourned.
No,
I have mistrial.
Case until the next the cruise we are going to do from Colombo to Manila.
But don't go into
Via Puntland?
Don't go into international waters. Then the case, the
No.
jurisdiction is not there.
Yeah, okay. We'll stick to Sri Lankan water.
No, we will have a local mistrial. Where there is penetration, then they can
So let us take it to international water.
Okay.
How about we take the case to
No,
international court?
No, international courts and then Alfred Sedlak and all are anyway in international courts at the moment.
Okay, good night, gentlemen. Good night. Good night.
He said that Alfred Sirnak.
They know.
He said Thunderbird.
Then Thunderbird is also in
Case adjourned. Final verdict.
Case postponed, court adjourns.
Adjourned.